Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So friends, in this video we're watching the beautiful PVC wall panel designs. There you can see that the beautiful designs are available. So friends, in this video I'm going to tell their advantages and what will be the price for installing the PVC panel with the labor charges. And I'm going to tell that what are the points to consider before purchasing or before installing the PVC panels. So friends, if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe to this channel. So let's get started. One of the best advantages of PVC wall panels is that cost effective because it is more affordable than the traditional materials like wood, tiles or marbles, so making them an ideal for the budget conscious projects. They are very easy to clean with a damp cloth and resistant stains, so which requires a minimal maintenance compared to paint or the wallpapers. And they are moisture resistant because they comes with a waterproof, so making them suitable for high humidity areas like even in the kitchen, even in the bathroom also you can use these panels. And it is more suited with the living room and the bedroom. So in the living room you can install the feature wall of where TV unit is there. It is resistant to scratches, impacts, mold, mildews and termites, so it is very durable and long lasting materials. It is available in designs, different colors, textures and finishes which will enhance your interior aesthetics. And it is very lightweight and designed with interlocking or adhesive systems, so they require the minimal tools and time for installation. And it is made from the recyclable materials, so PVC panels are environmentally friendly with the low energy production process. They provide the some sound insulation against heat and sound, improving the energy efficiency. Many PVC panels are fire resistant, adding a safety features for residential and even the commercial spaces. And it is smooth surface prevent bacterial growth, making them an ideal for hospitals, kitchens and the laboratories. So friends, now we're going to discuss the price because the cost of PVC panels in India varies based on factors like quality, design, thickness, brands and the locations. So, so each one panel will price is starting from 380 rupees to 400 rupees per piece, which is super heavy PVC panels. And each panel will cover 8.3 square foot area. So let me take some example to understand that how much it will cost totally. So let me assume that our area wall size is 10 by 15, so the total area of the wall is 150 square feet, and each panel will cover 8.3 square feet area, so that means we require total, we have to divide that 150 divided by 8.3, so the total panels requires are 19 numbers and each panel price is 380 rupees, so we have to multiply this 19 into 380. So friends, the total price for PVC panel will cost you 7220 rupees, and the labor charges for installing this PVC panel will cost you almost 2200 rupees for 150 square feet area. So the total price comes is 9420 rupees. So for 150 square feet area, the total price is 9420 rupees. So almost per square feet it will cost you 62 rupees. So this is the way you can calculate that how much it will cost for your walls. So it can totally depends upon your wall size. So you have to multiply this. Suppose your wall size is totally comes in 100 square feet. So you have to multiply this 62 into 100. So it will come 6200 rupees. So in this price everything is included like materials plus labor cost, adhesives. So friends, points to remember before purchasing and installing the PVC wall panel. So first, always check the quality of that, so ensure panels are from reputed brands, example like Polywood, Ecoin. So check for the UV resistance or fire retardancy, and always check the thickness, which should be 6 to 12 mm for durability. And choose the designs which are 3D or wood designs that match your interior theme. So verify if the finish is glossy or matte, which suits the room purpose. And always Ensure the walls are clean before installing. So dry and uneven surface may require additional priming or repairs, so it will increase your cost. Always hire professional installer. Another is you always accurate measure your wall area to estimate the material and labor cost, so which can overbuying or underbuying can lead to the wastage or delays. Confirm the panels are easy to clean and resistant to moisture termites for long terms. So another point to remember is the factor in material, labor and additional costs to avoid the budget overruns. So friends, keeping these points, you can install this PVC wall panels. So friends, if you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section, and if you want more details, you can contact through my mail ID which I mentioned in the description. So friends, if you like my videos, then please like and share this video. Thank you for watching. So friends, I'm close to 3,50,000 subscribers, so please support to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel if you're new to my channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you once again.